Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to show you unboxing of this Ezviz camera, which is C3T 1080p smart home camera. This is a Wi-Fi camera, so you can connect this camera to your Wi-Fi and then you can mount anywhere you like. And this is designed for outdoor as well, indoor, outdoor both. It's quite handy camera and quite cheap as well compared to other Hikvision PoE cameras, but this is powered by normal 12 watt 1 amp or 2 amp power supply. Yeah, okay, let's see what this box has inside. Let me show you the box first, how it look like from the outside. Okay, and what it says, motion detection, and it's a IR night vision up to 30 meter 1080p, and okay, and it can take micro SD card option as well, micro SD card option, and IP67.
It has audio as well.
Okay, audio pickup as well. Sorry, I can't see from, let me see from my end. Okay, this IP weatherproof design, powerful Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz. That's important. The Wi-Fi has to be 2.4 gigahertz with built-in dual antenna. Okay, and let's see what else this box has inside. Okay, you can see the smart. Let's see, smarter functions for better protection. Okay, this is the tagline. Let's see now. Nice packing. Let's see how the camera look like, what comes inside the okay. Nice packing, and this is quick start guide. Okay, this one quite handy, make sure you go through this one, but we are making a video so it's easier for you. And this is stop if you encounter any issue with the setup of Ezviz, please try to follow. Okay, you can call the Ezviz support line as well if needed, but hopefully, oh, that's very important, 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only. It works with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi only, so make sure your Wi-Fi must have this range. Okay, and let's see, user manual, leave this, not important. Okay, and this is the camera. Okay, that's the camera. Oh, looks nice. Okay, look at the size of this camera, right? Oh, it has a reset button as well. Okay, micro SD card slot, so you can have your micro SD card, it will start recording, and it will work standalone as well. Okay, quite silky design, nice, very small, compact as well. Okay, this is for the networking in case you want to connect to a network, but we are going to use as a Wi-Fi, so this is for the power. Let's see where the power adapter. So power adapter comes with this camera as well. This is the power adapter that comes with the camera. Okay, let's see, screw for mounting the camera, and this is to make it weatherproof, the cabling, and this is the power adapter for this camera. Okay, this power adapter for the camera, so you can plug here, and then the main socket is provide the power to the camera. Then soon we are going to show you how we can configure this camera using our Wi-Fi. So we are not connecting this to our router anywhere else, just purely the Wi-Fi. Okay, so let's see the configuration video soon. Okay, so thanks for watching. I'll join you soon when we show you how to configure the camera on your app. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video we are going to show you how you can use your wireless Wi-Fi camera, Ezviz brand, and this C3T 1080p. So we are going to show you how you can add this to your mobile app. How does it work? So how you can add. Okay, let's see. First of all, we're going to download the app. Let's go to the Play Store, and on the Play Store we will type Ezviz. There's the app. Okay, once you can see Ezviz here, now we're going to install this app, and we have a camera ready. Just to let you know about this camera, this Wi-Fi camera only works if you have a frequency of Wi-Fi frequency 2.4 gigahertz. That's important, otherwise it won't add. So make sure check with your internet provider. Mostly this is available, but in case if not, then make sure check this frequency 2.4 gigahertz. and this camera is IP67 weatherproof as well. It's a bullet camera, and we have unboxing video as well. We are going to share you with that video as well. Okay, once app is download, then open. Now you have to register as well, so search for your country where you are. We are in United Kingdom, so we are selecting. Okay, so we are showing you step by step, so easy. So, and you can create an account as well. Create an account. We are now creating the account for Ezviz. Okay, so first you need to use your email address, the one you are frequently using. Make sure you remember the password as well. So SSR CCTV videos videos at gmail.com. So basically we are creating account, and the password you select for a app, not your password for your email account, the password, the one you are selecting right now for the app account. Okay, this is done now. So what will happen, you will get the verification code. Check your email address as well. So the 4-digit verification code, okay, send it to this email. So we're going to check now. The number is now, so we have received this. Code is 7327 7327. Okay, so now we have created the account. Okay, that's good. Verified your, okay, so okay, that's your Ezviz account. Now you can see the plus icon here, so we are going to add the device. So select the device. As I said, we have this is Wi-Fi camera, so we are going to select the camera now, and then allow. Okay, you can use while using. So we are adding this camera. Okay, there's a QR code here, you can see on your back of your bullet camera. So this is the camera. Now we are going to add this device. So we will go next, start. So power on the device and wait until it starts up completely. Okay, so we have connected the camera, powered the camera now. So open your location permission, it's up to you. Okay, now this is very important. Please select router Wi-Fi and enter the password. So you should know your Wi-Fi name as well. So check the location of your Wi-Fi name, what Wi-Fi name we have here. You can see SSR Trading 2.4, that's important, 2.4, that's the one. And then you have to enter the password of your Wi-Fi. Okay, now as you can see, it's connecting now. Okay, now you can see slowly and slowly device name, that's your bullet camera. Okay, Ezviz camera, there's a device name here. Okay, now you can change it. Let's say you want to install this camera outside, you can have outside front outdoor camera. You can have name front outdoor camera. If you want, you can name the camera, so easy to remember that, front door camera. But as you can see, we have an option available here as well. That's a good living room, bedroom, kitchen, kids room. So you can select front porch as well. Okay, but you can give your name whatever you like. Then next. Okay, we can see this camera now. As you can see camera, now we'll go the setting of the camera. Yes, one by one at a time. Okay, then audio on, that's very important. Compatibility mode, that's on, very, very important. Okay, we'll go next. And now new password, because the camera has own password. When the camera comes, has the password here as well. You can see on this on a camera, but I'll show you. There's a camera password. Okay, 1 second, I'll show you. Here you can see, I'll show you again.
Verification code.
That's a verification code. Yes.
This is password by default.
Password by default. Yes. So you have to change that as well. Okay. Okay, let's see here, new password which you like. So whatever you like, you can have a password here now. Okay, just for security reason, to make sure you have your own password. So okay, modify, done. Keep the new password safe, password cannot be recovered once. Okay, and now as you can see, the device is added now. Okay, so now you can see the device is added now. So it's working fine. And we go through the some setting. We have already installed the micro SD card inside this. This is micro SD card. So and now let's see the recording one at a time. We will go one by one. Yes. So there's so many settings. You'll see the date, time exactly, just to make sure date matching. Okay. So you can see one at a time. Audio perfect. Okay, IR light is on, that's okay, you can see, that's okay. Indicator on off, that's good. And alarm notification disable. If you want, you get notification, so you can have like this. You get notification in mobile app as well. And notification schedule you can select as well, if you're Monday, Tuesday, whichever. So you can add that. So that's the notification. Now we'll go back. Motion, okay, let's see the motion detection as well. Let's see motion detection. Yeah, here the motion. You can select draw the area as well. If something happened to this particular area, you get notification on this particular area as well. So there's so many settings, you can select that as well. Okay, and now we'll go back and see motion detection sensitivity. You can select as well from 0 to 6. If you want high sensitivity, you can select 6, or I think we recommend use this 1 2 3 4. Okay, and we go back now, select the time zone. Okay, make sure we are in London, that's okay, perfect. Okay, that's okay. And also daylight saving time is on. Date format you can select as per your choice, date, month, year. Wi-Fi, as you can see, connected to SSR 2.4, that's important, 2.4. okay. Ezviz cloud not activated, you have to pay money for that. Maybe it might be free for 1 month, but just leave it right now, because we have micro SD card option as well. So here you can see the is inactive. We are going to select our memory card. Okay, so it's normal, you can reformat as well. In case a brand new one, you have to format the SD card, micro SD card. And you the one we are using 128, we have tested here, and it can up to 3 to 4 weeks. Really surprising for us. Well, 3 to 4, minimum 4 weeks it recorded, even with surprise as well, and continuous. So if you use 128 micro SD card, 128 GB, it can record up to 1 month, because we have tested here. That's why we left this camera for 1 month, and it record for 1 month, maybe a bit more as well. So good. So that's very good. As you can see, we are formatting the card. That's very important. If you have a new card, always format, only then it will start recording. This camera is quite handy as well, so you don't need the just to power the camera, and it connects to your Wi-Fi, that's all. And you can carry this camera anywhere in your home, house, wherever you want, just to power the camera, that's all it requires. Okay, because we want to show you step-by-step guide, that's why it takes a bit long, but it's good, so you know every single step. So when installing this camera, so life is easier. Okay, and I will highly recommend always use the micro SD card as well. So this way camera will work standalone, have a recording as well, and you can view through your mobile app as well. Now we'll go back. Memory card is done, so now we'll go one by one. Storage status done. Device inspection, free trial, what is this? Let's see. And check the device status for you every day. I think this is a cloud one, we'll leave it right now. And you can see the device version as well. Okay, that's very good. This is device version. Okay,
if it's not available, I mean, if the latest version is available, you can upgrade from
okay
here.
we can okay. Image encryption, that's on. Change encryption password, so you can change if you want. Please enter the old encryption, but that comes with the camera. and then you can select on the camera, you can see this password. Yes,
we have already changed the password.
we have already changed that. Yeah, okay, done. Yes, but you can change if you want. Yes, and flip image, what does it mean? Let's see the flip image. Image will flip. Okay, if you, okay, that's the way. If you change again, you will see. Now we'll see the image again. Okay, flip image. Okay, that's okay. Now let's see what else. Sleep mode completed. Okay, when sleep mode is on, the device stop monitoring and recording. Okay, and leave it as it is off. Okay, offline, we don't need client offline notification completed. Let's see what does it mean. Nothing, leave it, we don't need that. The main thing we need that we can see this device on our mobile app, and that's why that's very important. And also we can see the playback. So we'll show you about the
This device information.
device information. About, you can see all the information about the device and the serial number as well, the model number as well, and the QR code. So if you scan, as you can see, scan this QR code, you can add to your mobile app, but it's already added to our account, so you can share as well, but leave it at right now. So this way you can start remotely as well. Okay, let's see, we will start remotely. What happens? Device is restarting, please wait for 5 minutes. So the good thing about this camera, within a budget, and also if you have a micro SD card, obviously we recommend to use micro SD card. 128 can record up to 4 weeks, nearly a month, and you have a playback as well. What else you need? Quality is HD quality, and just one cable is needed for the power. That's all.